This is going to be the most tastiest mixed rice dish. This dish is a paradise for those who love tahdig, the crispy rice crust at the bottom of a rice pot, because the entire surface of the rice is tahdig. Keep watching because you will definitely need this recipe. This rich and tangy rice dish is certainly fit for a king or queen. Hello guys, I'm Rozina and very welcome back to my kitchen. On today's episode, we're going to be making a rice dish from Republic Azerbaijan called Shah Polo, which literally translates to king rice, and it's super delicious. If you haven't yet subscribed, please click on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and trust me guys, you're going to be in for the best. Okay, it's best to start off with ingredients. Here we have 400 gram beef, lamb or chicken meat, 1 cup dried apricots or prunes, 1 cup raisins, and we have also 1 cup chestnuts or walnuts, and 3 cups basmati rice, 1 lime or lemon juice, and we have 2 large onions. For seasoning we need salt, pepper and 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and also saffron, and 6 medium-sized lavash bread or tortilla breads, and at the end ghee or butter. So now start by preparing all ingredients. Rinse the rice 2-3 times to remove dirt and starch. Soak the rice in salted water for an hour or half an hour before cooking. In this recipe, we will need some saffron liquid, and let me show you how to make it. Place 1/4 teaspoon saffron threads in a mortar and grind it with a pestle. Add ground saffron to 3 tablespoons hot water and blend it. Cover the glass with a lid and leave to soak for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, remove the lid and gently give a stir. And voila! Just look at this beautiful color. It's done and our saffron liquid is ready, and you can use it in your different recipes as required. Looks gorgeous. Grab a sharp knife and peel the papery skin off the onions. Then slice them lengthwise. Just like this. Perfect. Now chop dried apricots into small pieces. Dice the meat into small pieces. In this recipe, you can use beef, lamb or chicken meat. Heat 3 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee in a large frying pan. Add diced meat and season with cumin, salt and pepper. And cook the meat over a medium-high heat until golden all over, but not necessarily cooked through. Then remove the pan and set aside. But don't worry about cleaning the pan, as you will be frying the onion in it. Melt a few more tablespoons of the clarified butter or ghee in the same frying pan and cook the chopped onions until soft and lightly caramelized. Now add chopped apricots, chestnuts and raisins to the caramelized onions. Give a good stir and cook over a low heat for 5 minutes. Then add cooked meat to the mixture and stirring frequently for 1 or 2 minutes. Infuse the meat mixture with vibrant flavor by adding the juice of 1 beautiful lemon or lime and 1 tablespoon of saffron liquid, stirring for 3 minutes more. Taste and adjust seasoning as needed, and you can add more cumin or salt and pepper. Perfect. Now turn off the heat and transfer the pot to a cool spot. Preheat the oven to 200 centigrade or gas mark 6. Okay, now prepare the rice for cooking by draining the soaking salted water. Bring a large pot of water to a boil over high heat and add the rice. Give a quick stir and cook for 7-8 minutes, but don't cook for longer time because it will be sticky. To see if the rice is ready, take a couple of grains out of the pot, and when you break it with fingernail, the grain should be soft on the outside and firm on the inside. Now strain the rice with a rice colander and rinse the rice with some cold water to stop the cooking process and get cool. Take the same pot and brush in the bottom of the pot with some melted butter and put 1 tortilla bread or lavash bread at the bottom of the pot as you see. Perfect. Now brush all of the tortilla bread or lavash bread as you need one by one with melted butter or ghee. Perfect. And now line the sides of the pot with bread slices, pressing them gently into place with some overlap as you see here. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to add half of parboiled rice to the pot as you see, and then pour some saffron water and then add meat mixture to the rice. Perfect. Then cover the meat mixture with remaining of parboiled rice and some saffron water again and place final piece of butter coated lavash on top of rice. And finally fold the overhanging lavash bread over the rice to encase it and brush it with melted butter or ghee. Cover the pot with a lid and bake for 50 minutes so that the top crisps up. Remove the pot and place a large serving plate over the pot and carefully but quickly invert the pot to remove the Shah Pilaf. Just look at this. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back. It's final part of my Shah Polo or King of Pilaf's recipe. This is Rozina here. As you see, you have something that looks like a crispy pie. You should hear a very satisfying crunchy sound. That's it. Now I'm going to cut off the top and I show you what it's like. Wow, it's so hot. Oh, I cannot use my fingers, so I use a spoon to open up and show you what is inside this crispy crust flatbread. Guys, I recommend to make Shah Polo or King of Pilafs. It's just perfect. Shah Polo is a gorgeous saffron infused rice with beautiful crispy crust that made of rice, flaky flatbread, meat, raisins, chestnuts, and apricots. So let me know if you're planning on giving this one to go. This is a delicious home-cooked food. And don't forget, food is a love, food is a flavor, and I love it. Thanks a bunch as usual to supporters of this channel. A huge thanks for you all for watching and leaving your beautiful comments and sharing this video with others. It's much appreciated and I'm very lucky to have you here. Take care and see you in next one. God bless. Lots of love.